So hello and welcome you all to Sail to MDS National Academy. So aspirant, a big shocking news for all of you that the NEET MDS 2022 has again rescheduled. Okay, now it is preponed from the last date. Previously it was planned on June 4, 2022. Now they have changed it to 6th of March 2022. So aspirant, please consider this timetable only, because NB always say that always follow the latest bulletin, and this notice is clearly given on their website netboard.edu.in, and even also you can see on the nbu.edu.in. Okay aspirants, so plan accordingly. 6 March 2022. So this news will be good for all the aspirants. It is not that much far away, like we can say 6 or 8 months, and not very early like just we have in the December. So it's a good timetable, around 4 months you have. So prepare in the proper manner, and any doubt aspirants you can let me know.